Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it is spring, we've had great temperatures, there's even been some rain, and the grass is starting to green up, but you might be like this lawn where it looks good, but when you get a little bit closer and look at it, there are some patches. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can see it pretty clearly here. There is green up, but there are some really deep, dark brown patches inside of the lawn. Now that could be some dead thatch. It also could be just because when you put down a granular, that prill size can be kind of big, and it's really just going to fertilize the spot directly around it. Now you can see this polka dot effect right here with the sun on it, but what we want to do is give it a much more even application of fertilizer. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So one of the best ways to get even coverage is by doing a foliar or a liquid application, and the stuff we're going to use today is called Neighbor's Envy. This stuff is legit and has all the stuff your grass needs to really green up. It's got nitrogen in it, potassium, iron, sea kelp, humic acid, all the stuff that's going to help condition your soil and get your grass as dark green as possible. So let me show you how to mix this up and apply it. So the tools that you're going to need today to be able to do this project is going to be Neighbor's Envy. You're also going to need some sort of measuring cup to be able to measure how much you need to put in. You're going to want a backpack sprayer. I love this backpack sprayer. I'll have a link to the description below for that and everything else that we're using in this video. You're also going to want to have a paddle mixer to make sure that you get it all mixed up good inside of that backpack sprayer, to make sure that we're getting a good, even concentration of the Neighbor's Envy that we're going to be putting down. All right, so let's talk about the application rate of Neighbor's Envy. So for Neighbor's Envy, you go really heavy on the first application. It's 16 ounces of this stuff per 1 gallon of water, which covers 1,000 square feet. So 16 ounces is about 2 cups. So you're gonna need a measuring cup like this to be able to make sure that you put the right amount in here. I've got 2,000 square feet back here, so that's gonna be 2 gallons in my backpack sprayer, which means I'm gonna put in 4 cups of this stuff. Now on subsequent treatments, which you should do probably every 2 to 3 weeks, it halves. It goes down to 8 ounces per 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet. So about 1 cup of this stuff per gallon after the first treatment. So I've already got 2 gallons of water in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the 4 cups of this stuff and mix it up and get it ready to go. All right, this stuff is pretty dark. You probably don't want to do this on your concrete like I did. I'm going to get a hose and just hurry and rinse that off. But now that I have the water in here and the mix up, I'm going to use a paddle mixer just to make sure that it's mixed really, really well. So I've got this all mixed up, we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and put this on the grass. All right, so we just put this down. We're gonna wait about a week. And the really nice thing about doing a liquid application is you just get really good even coverage, and the grass can just instantly take up all the nutrients. You don't have to wait for this stuff to break down like a granular. So this should work pretty quickly. We're gonna take a look at this in a couple of days and just kind of see if we get that nice dark fireball green up that we expect. One thing I forgot to mention is you do want to water in Neighbor's Envy once you put it down. So we've got rain in the forecast this afternoon, which is why I just did this. I also did not spray this bottom half of the yard here. So that'll be kind of our control. But we're gonna wait a couple of days and see how this looks and see if that upper lawn greens up a lot darker green than this one that we didn't spray. So it's been about 10 days and look how awesome this looks. It's just nice dark green and it's evenly spread. So let's take a little bit closer look at this. So you can see here that it really evened out the color. We have some really nice dark green that's starting to pop. Some of those browner spots are really starting to go away and fade in. And like I said, we're about 10 days out and we just had a really good result. And I hope that you can see this on camera, but we definitely have a darker green up here than we do down here. We did not put any Neighbor's Envy down on this lower lawn. We only put it on that higher lawn, but it is definitely, to the eye, much darker green. All right, so there you have it. If you're looking to kind of just get a nice green, even color and you want to wake up your lawn this spring, Neighbor's Envy is a great thing to be able to add to your program. Now, it works really well if you're also using a granular. So you want to make sure that you're doing a granular about once a month, and then with Neighbor's Envy, maybe every 2 to 3 weeks. And that combined is just going to get you a really nice green pop like you see right here. And if you're looking for other ways to just really get your grass as dark green as possible, then make sure you watch this video. In this video, we go over how to overseed your lawn with some of the darkest grass that you can buy. So make sure that you watch this video, and we'll see you over there.